Hi everyone, my name is Joyce and I am currently at the final stages of the GRC certification training program from Inegben Academy. And I came across this program on LinkedIn one day when I was just scrolling randomly. And I remember being super privileged to have been accepted into the program because I've heard a lot about it. Before this program, GRC concepts have always felt a bit overwhelming to me. But the program just helped me simplify everything, and we learned in a step-by-step process. That's from understanding the GRC capability model, that's a red book, to being able to create real-life risk assessment documents, risk registers, etc. So something else I deeply enjoyed about the GRC training program by Inegben Academy were the live sessions, which felt very personal and very thorough. Everything was explained to us in such a way that the concept felt easy to understand. It was clear. Whenever we had questions, the tutors were very, very happy to help us answer that. And the GRC program has also helped me to position myself better for global opportunities, because not only were we taught how to properly optimize our LinkedIn, but we're also guided into creating an internationally acceptable portfolio, which we then filled up with the risks and compliance documents we created in our practical sessions. And I strongly believe that this is very valuable towards positioning me for better global opportunities. I would just like to advise anyone seeking to transition into the global GRC field to tap into this program, because it's encompassing, it is comprehensive, it is practical. The tutors are very passionate about your growth in this program. They listen to you, they give you corrections when needed, and they give you adequate time to prepare your documents and give reviews on what you have been working on. I am once again deeply grateful to the GRC team and to Mr. Stanley himself for the compilation of this amazing and detailed program. It has been very, very useful towards developing my confidence in the GRC space.